Not Little Cat Slam Jam, but Big Cat Slam Jam. Hey, give it up for him, come on. All right, who do we have here?
George.
All right, George. Rip it down, George. Not bad, George. Not bad. All right, next up.
I'm Larry, and I have 4 years old.
We'll keep that in mind. This is Larry. Hey, Larry traveled, but all right. All right, our next competitor.
Phyllis.
All right, this is Phyllis. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh. We're gonna give Phyllis another crack at it. Oh! Phyllis with the left hand. That one's gonna be hard to beat. All right, who do we have here? This is Bill. All right, we got two good competitors. No pressure on our last contestant. What's your name?
Harley.
All right, this is, hey, with a name like Harley, you can't go wrong. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Harley mistimed this jump. Finish it off with a bang, Harley. Third time's the charm. There we go. All right. Willie, this is a tough selection. Willie's going with Bill. Hey, give it up for our Big Cat Slam Jam competitors tonight. Nice job, everybody.